Farmers Insurance has received more than 16,000 claims from Hurricane Irma to date, and estimates that hurricane and related storms will generate approximately 24,000 claims at an estimated gross cost of $140 million, all of which is fully recoverable under Farmers' reinsurance program. Catastrophe claims teams will remain in the area to assist customers with their claims as they proceed with their recovery. Farmers encourages customers who suffer damage and who haven't already done so to file their claims as soon as possible by calling their agent using the online filing system at https://www.farmers.com claims, using the Farmers app through their smartphone or tablet, or by calling the 24-hour Claims Center Farmers Claims Contact Center number 18,004,357,764. Foremost and 21st century customers can also use the 18,004,357,764 number for assistance. Bristol West customers can call 18,002,747,865 for assistance. Spanish language claims assistance is available to Farmers customers by calling 877-RRECLAMO 8,777,325,266. About Farmers Insurance. Farmers Insurance and Farmers are trade names for a group of affiliated insurers providing insurance for automobiles, homes and small businesses, and a wide range of other insurance and financial services and products. Farmers Insurance is proud to serve more than 10 million households with over 19 million individual policies nationally through the efforts of more than 48,000 exclusive and independent agents and approximately 21,000 employees. Farmers Insurance Exchange, the largest of the three primary insurers that are part of the Farmers Insurance Group of companies, is recognized as one of the largest U.S. companies on the 2017 Fortune 500 list. For more information about Farmers Insurance, visit farmers.com, Twitter and Instagram @WeAreFarmers, or facebook.com Farmers Insurance. Contacts Media Relations 8,189,650,007 Media Relations @farmersinsurance.com. View original content with multimedia. HTML source Farmers Insurance related links http://www.farmersinsurance.com